Alright, welcome guys. So I'm going to go ahead and um, set this one up for both the caterpillar and the rings here. I'm going to add 7 holes along the top here, and then I'm also going to add 7 planes along the shaft running underneath here, running through the middle, that line up directly through that. So in my box here, all I do is I double click on that piece right there. It means I can work on just that, and I'm going to go ahead and start a sketch right there. So that's lined up in the middle. If not, I'd come and find the center. That's 2.5 inches over there. But I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to start putting in some circles. I'm going to put in 0.25, enter. I'm going to come over here, 0.25, enter. I'm going to come over here, 0.25, enter, and right here, 0.25, enter. I'm going to go ahead and dimension them up a little bit here. I'm going to space them. Let's see, I'll put them 0.5 apart. From that one to that one, it'll be 1, enter. From this one to this one, put 1.5, enter. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and mirror those over to the other side. I'm going to mirror this one. I'll hit shift, this one, and I'll put it across the mirror line here. Oops, it won't let me, so I'll come up here to the origin and oops, cancel, hit done. I'm going to go ahead and put a line right here down like this, and then I'll go up and mirror this, and this about that line. Hit apply and done. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and finish my sketch, and I'm going to go ahead and extrude this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, this one, and this one. And I come over here and hit cut so it goes through them, and hit OK. So now I have those holes properly lined up. I apologize about drawing the mirror line after the fact. I thought I could just use an axis, but it turns out I didn't. Now what I want to do is I want to go ahead and put corresponding planes that go directly under these that I'm going to eventually lock the cams to since I'm in here. So at this point, I'm going to go and work on this. And let's see, I'm trying to think the easiest way to add planes here. I can do a little bit of mathematics in my head here and go quarter. So I'm going to add a plane offset, and I'm going to offset it from this plane. And I'm going to come over, I'm just going to use, I'll come a little further, 0.5, and that one is perfectly underneath that. I'm going to hit there, and now I'll do that several more times. So offset from a plane, 0.5, enter. Offset from a plane, 0.5, enter. I'm sure there's probably a way to do this. It's a little easier, but I don't know how to do it, so I'm hacking my way through this. 0.5, enter. Offset from a plane, 0.5, enter. Offset from a plane, 0.5, enter. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, gotta do one more. Offset from a plane, 0.5, enter. Okay, so I've got that. double checking I'm exactly right, and sure enough, those are directly below that, so that's going to come in big. So I'm going to go ahead and build a follower next, and then build a cam, put my cams on. I suppose I'm going to build a cam next and actually constrain them on, then add the followers here so that you can see the motions.